At DCMG, we're the ultimate destination for senior executives and technology providers to connect, learn, discuss, and drive innovation. We design personalized executive engagement events that connect solution providers with senior decision makers that have a pain point which requires our partner solutions. Over the past 12 months, we've delivered executive roundtables across 8 countries and 25 major cities, including Australia, New Zealand, Singapore, the UK, and the US, and cities such as Sydney, Melbourne, Auckland, New York, Chicago, and London. We don't just run events. We create strategic, high-value environments where senior decision makers and solution providers can come together, innovate, discuss, and drive business-led outcomes.
We're industry agnostic. We work with senior executive decision makers across multiple verticals, including finance, insurance, hospitality, retail, manufacturing, and more. The core of what we do are our executive roundtables. These are intimate, curated, purpose-built environments to create meaningful peer-level conversations. These ensure that at every session, each participant gains actionable insights, real-world perspectives, and high-level networking. Each engagement for us is a tailored, white-glove, end-to-end service designed for impact. We prioritise quality over scale, ensuring that every conversation provides measurable value for both our solution providers and our executive leaders. Here at DCMG, we're a bespoke organisation that only works with a small, select group of global partners per year. We ensure that we keep our team tight, compact, and give every partner the dedicated attention that they require. Our set and forget model provides confidence that the results be delivered to our partners' specific needs, not through a one-size-fits-all approach, but through a tailored, hands-on supported event. We tell our partners all the time, think of us as an arm of your marketing team. You have full access to our team and support to help you drive results. The era of large-scale conferences are behind us. As a solution provider, there is no guarantee you're going to meet the right people, and even if you do, you're not in the right environment to nurture relationships and build something meaningful.
As the world becomes more digital and AI focused, the need for meaningful in-person interactions becomes greater. There's no better way of accelerating a sales cycle than an executive roundtable. With an intimate, bespoke approach, DCMG will get the right people in the room at the right time so you can achieve those outcomes that you need. My role here at DCMG is to understand your target criteria, parameters, persona, and your overall marketing strategy. I'll be there throughout the entire journey, from the first call into the delegate acquisition and at the event on the day, making sure you get a full turnkey solution and white glove service. If you're putting together your marketing strategy and need a partner that can offer a bespoke, hands-on approach, reach out to me and let's put together a plan specific to your needs and tailored towards ROI.